Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text behind a person using InShot Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot Video Editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to select video and then select new to create new project. And wait, I'm going to choose video from this folder. For example, I'm going to select this video and I'm going to import this video to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to add text. We can click on the text and then select text, and I'm going to type in for example behind. Okay, and then I'm going to make it bigger like this. All right, and then if you want to change the font, you can go to the font menu here and you can choose the font that you like. And for me, I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and I'm going to make the text align with my video. Okay, I'm going to cut the video to make the process faster like this guys, and we're going to export this video. Okay, and now the video is being exported, and we just need to wait. And after the video has been exported, we're going to create a new project. Select create new here, and we're going to import the video we have just saved. This one, this video is for the base, and the next one I'm going to import the original video. So I'm gonna go to the PIP and I'm going to open up this folder. This is for the original video, and I'm going to click on this autofill button to fit the screen. Click on the check mark, and wait guys, I'm going to cut the video to make it align with the first video. Okay, and we're going to remove the background of this video. We're going to go to the cutout and select cutout. Okay, and just hold on. It's still loading. We need to wait until 100%. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the text has been added to behind this person. Okay, and you just need to wait until 100%. You can monitor it right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create text behind a person editing using InShot Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.